You guys know what time it is. Thank you so much for the support on the last Kissy Missy review. But now it is time we talk about the dog. I still don't have my hands on Huggy or Killy Willy, so I need to do that. But if this video does good, maybe I'll use the money to buy them for really overpriced on eBay somewhere. Yeah, guys, let's waste no time. Today we are talking about the McFarlane toys, the Doctor figure from Poppy Playtime. I cannot wait. This figure looks phenomenal, so I'm gonna shut up. If you guys like Poppy Playtime, you guys like movies, game shows, collectibles, I talk about all that here. And let's open my boy up. First of all, here's the back. Looking really cool. I love the design of this title. And here he is on the side. And other than that, that's really it. Now we're going to rip this box open. Woo! Oh my god. This is I can't do anything with him yet. This is so sick. Alright guys, I got the Doctor out. We're going to take his accessories out when we're over there. But let's go over to the review station and take a look at this guy. Okay guys, here is the Doctor. Now first of all, this figure looks so cool. It looks so accurate to the game. I mean, the cloth aspect is so cool with him. I love it actually goes through his little backbone thing. It's also a very stretchy material, which is really cool, so you can move it in any other place you want. You can take his hood off. Look at that bald ass head. Let's take a look at articulation. So, obviously it has the cloth, but the head, okay, so the head is on a ball joint. It looks up that much, down that much. The neck also does move, giving it some more range, but it also can spin all the way around like that, which is really cool. You can get really nice range with that. The arms spin all the way around. I just popped it off. But it also has a ball joint there and actually on the arm, which is really cool. Again, swivels like that. Taking a look at the elbows, that's how far it goes. Oh wow, they're like double jointed, so which is pretty cool. Hands spin all the way around. They can move like this, which is so sick. Taking a look at the body, it doesn't really move at all. He's got no ab. Oh, wait, I stand corrected. Look at that. You can move like that. You can swivel it all the way around, side to side. That is sick. The legs, up this much, back this much, but they can go all the way around. And he's kind of got the goat legs, so they move all the way around like this, and they also move here. So much range. What is that? Like, look at that. That is insane. His grips, taking a look at the grips, they're also on ball joints, so that has a lot of range of motion, which is really nice. The figure doesn't have any bendy wire stuff like the other ones, because those are all the Huggy Wuggy type characters. So this one's just like an actual figure, and god, is it nice. The articulation's so smooth. There's so much of it. It is just great. Now, let's take a look at some of the accessories. First, we're going to go with his face pieces. So, obviously, he comes with this first one, which is like just his eye on the TV screen. But he also comes with 4 other ones, which is kind of crazy. Kissy Missy didn't come with any other faces. Now, this dude's got 4. So, I don't know how I'm going to put this on, but here's this other face. It's pretty much just the eye looking more mad, I guess. Oh, okay. So, you literally just take the screen off, take this out of here, and just kind of place it in there. So here he is with the more looking angry kind of face. Really like how easy it is to literally just take these on and off. You just pop the screen off, put it in there, and boom. So that looks really cool. Let's look at the next one. And here's this face. Honestly, I don't remember this face in the game at all. You guys are gonna have to let me know what part in chapter 4 he has this face, because I just do not remember that. But it does still look really cool. Now, this one is so cool. I think this is like a jump scare type one. Absolutely love this. It doesn't really look like the Doctor, so even though it's really cool, this probably isn't how I'm going to display him, but I still absolutely love it. I think it looks so cool. Wait, is that Kane? And here he is with a bunch of different eyes. This one is so sick. Probably one of my favorites. It reminds me of Seek from Doors. That is so sick. I absolutely love that face. So, that is all of his faces. They all look really good. But now we got to take a look at the hands. So, first, the hands that he just has on him. They're kind of these grabbing looking creepy hands. But he does have 2 other sets of hands. So, let's take a look at those. Okay, so here the Doctor also has these fisted hands, which are pretty cool. So, you know, if he wants to square up with you and, you know, knock your ass out, boom, he can do that. And here he also has these more default kind of just open hands, which are pretty cool. So, you know, he wants to have a conversation. He's like, yeah, man, that's what I've been saying. Doughy the Dough Man got a big dick. And let's talk about his last accessory, his base. It is actually the floor of the factory, which is really cool. And also, if you want, you can put them together with the other pieces of the factory that come with the other characters, which is pretty cool. And speaking of that, here we have him compared to, hold on, here he is compared to Kissy Missy. Now I'm going to keep Kissy Missy with both of the stands because she doesn't stand well, but he stands fine without him, which is really cool. And they just look great together. Also, here is Poppy, if you guys are wondering, with the doctor. Really cool. So yeah, guys, that is pretty much it. My review for the doctor. This figure is absolutely great. I think I'd give it like an 8 or 9 out of 10. This figure is so worth the $30 price tag, especially also with the Kissy Missy, and I'm guessing the other one's in the wave. This is the most worth it price ever. These figures are absolutely amazing. They come with so many accessories, and this doctor figure is just so fun. I cannot wait to get my hands on Huggy and Killy. Sadly, I can't show them, but we got 2 down, 2 to go. I cannot wait to review the rest of this line. Let me know what you guys think of the Dr. McFarlane figure, and comment who you want next. Do you want Killy next, or do you want Huggy? We might have to save Huggy for last because he's the GOAT. But yeah, guys, that is pretty much it. If you guys like Poppy Playtime, you guys like movies, games, shows, collectibles, I talk about all that here, and yeah.